خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان صدق الله العظيم.
The most gracious and merciful, the merciful taught Quran. He created man. He taught him speech. The sun, the moon, move according to fixed regularization. The stars and the trees bearing the population. He raised the heavens, settles the measures. So you should not transfer the measure. Always measure with the justice. Thank you.
शुरू करता हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाला है। रहमान दयालु खुदा ने कुरान सिखाया, इंसान को पैदा किया, उसे बोलना सिखाया। सूरज और चांद के हिसाब के पाबंद है और तारे और झाड़ सजदा करते हैं और उसी ने आसमान को ऊंचा उठाया और उसमें धुलाई रखी क्योंकि तुम उस खुदा में कमी पेशी न करो और इंसाफ के साथ तोल को सही रखो और तोल को घटाओ मत। అనంత కరుణామయుడు అపార కృపాశీలుడు ఆయన అల్లాహ్ పేరుతో ప్రారంభిస్తున్నాను. పరమ కృపాశీలుడు ఆయన దేవుడు ఈ ఖురాన్ను బోధించారు. ఆయన మానవుని సృష్టించి అతనికి మాట్లాడటం నేర్పారు. సూర్యుడు చంద్రుడు ఒక నియమావళికి కట్టుబడి ఉన్నారు. నక్షత్రాలు వృక్షాలు అన్ని శాస్త్రంగా పడుతూ ఉన్నాయి. ఆయన ఆకాశాన్ని పైకిలేపారు, రాత్రి నిలబెడతారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dignitaries guests on the dais and on the dais, respected principal, staff members and dear students. Good morning everybody. I am extremely honored to have the chance to address you in this prestigious moment. It is a great pleasure and privilege to welcome you to the investiture ceremony. New Model High School, a historical 54 years old institution and still going strong in its pursuit of excellence. Our school is the symbol of persistent glory which embodies perfection. We are pleased to offer excellent services by a teacher. New Model High School is chiseled and shaped by the passing year which continues to stand precious in the eyes of humanity. Established in 1962 by my grandfather, late Janab Iqbal Rahman Sahab, which has now grown by leaps and bounds under successive principals and teams of dedicated staff developing in much needed way. It prepares the student for life, develop the qualities of the mind, the heart and the skills and the attitudes which enables him or her to cope with the demands of life and to be concerned and contributing member of the society and of the nation. We mainly focus in making our children active and agile. Our school is a place where children are molded for future life. Children have promises for tomorrow. So they should be made aware of the importance of the leadership. Leadership in school plays a pivotal role in the revival. May Allah help us to do good deeds and accept our deeds which we are doing in the cause of education. Amen. Thank you.
So good morning everybody. Good morning, sir. Okay, good, nice response. So here we are having the three guests with us. They are none other, they are our ex-students. They have passed out the 10th class from here. First is the Vaishali Dixit, the class for in the year 2008, she scored the maximum marks in the school and she got the first shield. This is the 533 she scored and she got the first shield in the school. We have the next shield, Altaf, Muhammad Altaf. Now he is also the good student of a school of the same batch and he is doing the engineering, accounts. And the next, Thakur Bharat Singh is that the software engineer in the high-tech city, is doing well Well settled. So I call again, once again they will introduce themselves and say something about the student.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So nice to hear that song because it feels proud because I was once there, now I am here. It shows us the difference. And yeah, I passed out in 2008. We are from the same batch.
To see, nice to have this tall boy that was standing here in the office bearers. Now it is a very well confident engineer doing well and highly successful in the life. Clap for him again. Now I want to call the Vaishali Devi. She is also the good student of our school.
Everyone, hello, good morning to each and everyone. I hope it's good morning. Okay, so I am from 2008 batch. It was like after 8 years, I said to my mom that I am going to school. It was really immense pleasure for me to say these words that I am going to school, not because of studies and standing over here and interacting with all you young people. Okay, so here is that. Nothing what you learn in your school, be it the studies, education competition, essay writing, whatsoever it never gets wasted. Okay, because you may develop good handwriting, you may develop good speaking skills from here itself. After that, in the 10 years or 8 years down the line, you'll be experiencing how proficient you have become. Okay, it starts at school only. That's the reason. Please be participative and enjoy each and every moment out here. Okay, because once you step out of school, these will be the only moments that you will remember in the rest of your life. Okay, so remember this. And one thing that I wanted to say that is the words that I've said, that all dots get connected in your life. Once I'd like to share this thing. Anyone knows Steve Jobs? Who is he? Yeah? Anyone? Loud enough. Apple founder, guys. He's an Apple founder. Okay, so he was also a college dropout. Fine. So in his third year, he felt that everything whatsoever he studied, he felt like useless. So he joined calligraphy classes. Anyone knows who is calligraphy? Handwriting skills. You develop handwriting in a cursive manner, that is calligraphy. Okay, so when he, after like 10 or 15 years down the line, when he started designing his first Macintosh computer, the MacBook, if you have heard, the MacBook, so when he started designing that, and when he needed some designer to develop that kind of handwriting skills, those calligraphy classes that he attended last 10 years back, that made that useful. Okay, so nothing gets wasted whatsoever you learn. Be it essay writing, be it education competition, be it any participative skills that you have been doing out here. Okay, nothing gets wasted. Every interaction with your teachers, every interaction with your friends, everything is useful. Okay, so I just want to say be active, be participative, be vocal, and that's how you should develop in your confidence. Okay. So these are the words from me, and it's been immense pleasure to be out here. Thank you, guys.
Very good. Mati sir want to say something regarding her. I request Mati sir to become here. I have already told that she was the topper of the 2008. It's the first time we received the shield. The shield that we have been here, 500. But the specialty of her is she scored 95 marks in the Telugu subject.
आज इतने खुशी हो रही है कि बच्चों को देखकर कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इस स्कूल जिस तरह लंबा हो रहा है, हमारे बच्चे भी उसी तरह लंबे होते जा रहे हैं। अल्लाह का बहुत बड़ा फजल है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो एक बात आप लोग अच्छी तरह समझ सकते हैं, दिल की गहराई से खुशी से मैं वहाँ पर आज आगे भी चले गया, क्योंकि लोग मिल सका अपने हाथों में कि बच्चों के साथ जो टीचर जो मेहनत करते हैं या बच्चे जो लगाव रखते हैं, तो वो माँ बाप अपने बच्चों के साथ जो लगाव होता है, क्या उतना ही होता है, उससे ज्यादा भी कभी कभी ऐसा हो सकता है। तो वो रिश्ता हमारे यहाँ पर है। खास तौर पर जो बच्चे यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, अखलाक का मुजाहरा करते थे। उनके जो अखलाक थे बाअदब उस्ताद के साथ बिल्कुल एहतराम के साथ थे। और ये बच्चे जब बाहर भी मिलते थे शादी खाना में कहीं दावतों में तो आगे दूर से आगे अदब से मिलते थे। ये उस्तादों का अदब करना, वालिदैन का अदब करना, मेहनत करना आज ये मुकाम तक पहुंचाता है। और वैशाली दीक्षित का नाम तो हमेशा मेरे पास रह जाता है, वो कतन वगैरह वो ऐसे तो करता क्योंकि दीपिका बच्ची एक नाम के बच्चे को अच्छा जानती है बच्ची वो वैशाली दीक्षित को तेलुगु नहीं आता था, उनकी भाषा अलग है, मराठी है, हिंदी अलग है,
हिंदी मदर टंग हिंदी
हिंदी है, लेकिन तेलुगु आता ही नहीं था। लेकिन वो कमरे में बैठकर बाजू में दीपिका के साथ पीछे पलट कर प्रैक्टिस करते थे, सीखते थे सुन लेकर, कुछ भी डाउट है तो मुझसे पूछते थे। तो ये बात ये खास कर मैं बोलना ये चाह रहा हूँ, मेहनत करने से, दिलचस्पी से अगर हम सीखे कोई चीज मिलाने वाली नहीं होगी, उसको हम बात कर सकते हैं। जब जीपीए नहीं था तो सॉफ्टवेयर का लैंग्वेज में 95 लाख वैशाली दीक्षित है।
That means 10 out of 10.
जीपीए में हुआ तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बच्चे इस तरह मेहनत करके और भी बच्चे हैं कोई भारत से तो ऊंचे मुकाम तक जा रहे हैं। बहुत बड़ी खुशी हुई अली साहब राठौर के जो मौका के साथ मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। शुक्रिया।
Respected eminent personalities over here, along with beloved students who are proud for the schools, for the teachers, for each and everyone, my staff members and dear students. It's a wonderful opportunity to be here, and the first batch of getting the seed was this batch already it's repeated. So they achieve everything only because of the deed of hard work. And the second thing is the way they express their feelings in front of the teachers, and the way they follow the footsteps of the teachers. The next thing is this started the history of the school as there is a consecutive 3 years, because the seal as that was the rotational seal, if I am not wrong. That this is called the rotational. So what does this mean? Rotational means if any school consecutive 3 years, they become the topper of the area or the federation, the seal will be their own. So first time they started bringing the seal, next time again next batch because the seal, next time again 3 consecutive. After that we took the seal from the rest of the schools and it became permanent, and that school is here. The next thing is they got the 533. At that time it was very difficult for overtaking 500. We are not getting 500. The toughest situation was how to get 500, but they are the one who got the Lawrence by getting 533. And when Khalisa told me to inform them, it was a long gap, 8 years, even nobody were in touch with them. When I made the call, they couldn't believe. They were telling, oh my God, because we are in long gap, we have never met even once with each other. And finally they accepted and they gave the word to be here. They feel very proud to be among you. And the next, after 5:30 the tradition is over, because that was the toughest during those generations. Before last 8 years, that was the toughest situation. But at present, the toughest situation is still because 5:33, it around 5:70 now. So only this is only because of their best example. They set the target 5:33 and they told to the next of the situation, next students, that we are making a target of 5:33. It's up to you how far you are taking this 5:33. Then it at present it's 5:17 and we are here And the best example is myself told 95, that 95, because of 95 only we got the seat. It's a great opportunity, golden moment, because no school were getting in Telugu 90 plus. So we only got the seat only because of one subject, that is Telugu. No doubt other subjects they got the marks, but the problem was only because of myself we got the seat, and that is because of 95. And that 95 we are expecting the next section students to continue this tradition for the next couple of years or for the next decades. And from the bottom of my heart, we are just welcoming all these three ex-students, and the Almighty may help them in each and every aspect of their life, and they may not face any kind of problems. Why they will face problems? Because we are having that all the teachers have their blessing with their hands. So Almighty will help them, and Almighty will extend the helping hands to fulfill all the dreams what they are aspiring for. Thanks a lot.
The badge are going to be got with on top. Good morning. Good morning to the future of our country. So, how are you all? Very well, very well. My name is Altaf. Let me correct them. I'm Altaf Beliwala. It's been 8 years that I'm back in the school. I'm really very happy, really very glad to see you all, to see my teachers and my principal and everyone here. I'll just share an incident with you. This guy, he was standing out there. He came first, and I just called him. Did you reach? He was like, yeah, I reached. Why don't you go in? He was like, I'm 2 minutes late. Culture sir will beat me. I was like, what? So the point was here. Is the discipline. We learn discipline from here. So thank you very much, Kalicharan sir, Mani sir, Pandun sir, Rauf sir, and everyone who, because of them we are here. I just want to say one thing: respect your teachers, respect your parents, and you will get success. Thank you very much.
And the students come and collect the certificates from our ex-students. Salar and just putting out there for the swimming, boxing, representing the momentum. Cabinet for the year 2016-17 to say a few words.
Good morning to one and all, teachers, madam, sir and the guests. I Sheikh Arsh Hussain, President of New Model High School. I am very honored and glad that my school opted me for the post of President for this new academic year 2016. Being the President, I like to serve my nation, my school with great efforts. I try to preserve my school's high fame at a best track rate. I try to make my school always on the canopy and to serve the fellow beings of our school by teaching them good manners, discipline and fluency in English. I try to do my job for our school's sake. The great vote of thanks for our correspondent of our school, ma'am and all the teachers and friends. I try to discharge my duties with great enthusiasm, loyalty. I wish that our school will be the most excellent school of India. Thank you.
I am Disnali, student of 9B. First of all, I would like to thank our principal sir and all the teachers for giving me this opportunity to speak and for electing me as a vice president. I will discharge my duties without partiality between the students, and I will do my best. I will perform my duties at my level best. I will maintain discipline in the students and the school as well, and I will teach them. I will instruct the students about the cleanliness and to keep the class, school premise and all the classes neat and clean. Thank you.
And now I want to call the 10th class this year, the topper. They want to come and say something about that the studies. What is the target this time?
Morning to one and all. Firstly, I would like to thank to all my teachers and all staff members. As I was the second topper in 9th class, so I am feeling very happy. And we are trying to work hard for our future, and our target is 10. Inshallah, we will score good marks and try to fulfill our parent and teacher wishes. Thank you.
Now, I request Mr. Hashim to say few words regarding our school. At the old time he was there when our school was up to the 5th class only. He was that student of our school, and now he is the head of the department at the Deccan Engineering College, Darussalam. Sir.
Dear students, teachers and the administrative staff, it gives me immense pleasure to come back to my school. And a long back, I remember in 1970, I completed my 5th class from the same school. So it is about 46 years back, and we were like you only. And at that time, we had a little bit feeling that we are studying in a school which is very near to our house, and we are not going to a hi-fi school as the generally students think of. Later on, I had a chance of studying Government Junior College, Aliyah. Even high school also I did from Aliyah High School, and then Government Junior College, Aliyah. At that time it was considered to be very hi-fi school, college. Then we felt that the attention which we are given in the school, in the lower standards where we studied near our houses, that is, we will be having an interaction with the teachers very closely. They will be knowing each and every student in the class. They will be giving attention to the students, and the knowledge what we get at the lower standards, it counts a lot. Our foundation will be very much strong. I remember very well once in engineering college, just we were having some discussions. So then one of my friends used the word, I am having this book. So in our grammar class it was taught that having, when it is used as the main verb, it means eating. Then I said, no, it means eating. You must use some other words. Having can be used as the supporting word, supporting verb. Then some of the students said that you are having a very good background from some nice school. I said I studied from New Model School, which is there at Musa Wali. And later on, there was so much extension in the school. I pray Almighty God, the school will prosper in near future also. We will be getting bright students, and we will be getting, they will be placing well high in the society. Thank you one and all.
For coming so long and just you have to addressing the student and motivating the student and giving that the good memories of our school life. Thank you very much, sir. Now we are going to present a memento.
माननीय प्राचार्य साहब और स्टेज पे विराजमान माजी विद्यार्थी और छात्र और छात्राओं, अध्यापक अध्यापिका, इंसान की योग्यता उसके कद से नहीं होती है, तो उसकी योग्यता उसकी शैक्षणिक से होती है। तो इसीलिए जो अभी हमारे पास जो विद्यार्थी आए हुए थे, वो इसी स्कूल में और इसी बेंच पर बैठकर वो पढ़ाई किया करते थे। इसीलिए उनकी शैक्षणिक योग्यता के कारण वो आज आप और हमारे सामने वो स्टेज पर बैठकर आपकी योग्यता को बढ़ा रहे थे। लेकिन जो बच्चे मेहनत करते हैं वही आगे बढ़ जाते हैं, क्योंकि ताकत भी उनकी साथ देती है मेहनत करने वालों की। तो इसीलिए कि आप सभी विद्यार्थियों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि यहाँ पर जो विद्यार्थी बैठे हुए हैं उनका अनुकरण कीजिए, उनसे कुछ सीख लीजिए, ताकि आपके भी भविष्य में कुछ अच्छे कार्य करने का मौका मिले। यानी कि मेरे से मैं यहाँ 1996 में आ गया था, तो फर्स्ट टाइम 10th B दिया गया था सर के बदौलत। कुछ रुकावटें भी थे, फिर भी हम कोशिश करने के बाद हमें मिला। उसके बाद 2008 में तो यहाँ पर हिंदी में 91 शायद वैशाली दीक्षित को ही आ गए थे। उसके बाद लास्ट ईयर 5 स्टूडेंट 5 विद्यार्थी 10 of 10 लेकर आए हुए थे। और यानी कि यहाँ दिन ब दिन हिंदी की योग्यता हिंदी की और बढ़ते जा रही है। तो इस साल 2 बच्चे 10 of 10 लेकर आए हुए हिंदी में। लास्ट टाइम यानी 2 साल पहले लास्ट ईयर की बैच जो थी, इस स्कूल में सबसे टॉपर हिंदी था। इस बार मैथ्स सेकेंड हाईएस्ट हिंदी है। थैंक यू, शुक्रिया।
I request Kapil Dev to become on the dais.
My last week as the president of Rotary Club. So I just wanted to, on any time that Karisa invite, I never say no. So he asked one last push as a president.
Yeah. 1 week is there.
1 week is there. So I'll be finishing my presidentship on Thursday. So thank you, Karisa, for all your stuff. Guest, we have Geet Gupta ji, the lady in the blue sari. She is the founder of Femi's Club, and they do a lot of charity thing. They do a lot of noble cause. They do. And they're quite a significant figures in the society. I call them the powerful women. We also have Anika on the to the left of Geet. You just wave your hand. I guess Anika will show some small demonstration as to how to look good. She's a image and fashion consultant, so she does a lot of image work and fashion work for clients. So somebody of them you can volunteer and you can show them how to do this really good. On to our left is Shweta ji, another eminent personality, quite a business woman and lady. So they're all from a significant organization called Femi's Club, and do a lot of noble charity work. They're highly disciplined, highly motivated. They want to do something, give back whatever they've earned to the society. And I hope that you'll find a lot of inspiration in women like them. Thank you, sir.
How are you all doing today?
We are fine.
It's so nice to see you all, such pretty faces. See, for me, it's very important to have confidence in yourself. The only thing that I can tell you all, just believe in yourself. Just say every day to yourself that I am the best, whatever. You all are special in your own way. Okay? So just say, I am the best. Okay, thank you so much. It's so lovely to be here. It's my pleasure to see all your cute and lovely faces here. Love you all.
Now I request Geeta, Miss Geeta,
Git Gupta.
Strong thing in you. So whenever comes in your life, so please do help, whatever it is. So no matter what, you all are blessed coming to the school, and your children, whatever your parents are sending you to school, and doing all the things, whatever your requirements they are doing. But many children are not blessed with the parents also, not blessed with whatever you guys are going through. But see that in your life, in your future, any time, if you get a chance to help anybody, so please do that, and even respect your parents and respect your teachers. As many things as you can learn, please keep learning. This is the age you have to learn. And in the future, like if you work hard in your school days, in your college days, so whole life you will be enjoying. If you enjoy your school days and your college life, so whole life you will be suffering. So this is the one thing you have to learn from your elders. So thank you so much, Kapil, teaching me all. Thank you, sir.
Hello kids, very good morning. I'm very happy to be a part of this occasion here. I have never come as a chief guest. This is the first time, and I'm feeling really blessed to be here. After knowing the cause and the things what the management is doing here, it's really, a great thing which is happening in Hyderabad. Because everyone will not have a heart or time to do something for kids or anyone for the society. So I feel that the management here are coming forward and doing something for the kids like you. Because you kids are the future generation for our nation. And you all have to study well, do well in whatever you are interested in. Let it be studies, sports, acting, anything. Whichever you feel that it's good for you, you just believe your heart, you just believe your soul, and just go forward. That is what I feel like saying. Thank you.
I hope all of you are doing well. Okay, I'm going to keep it really short, but what I'm going to say is that I'm Indian by nationality, but I have been born and brought up in Saudi Arabia. One of the things that you should remember is that the limitations that you are in, that shouldn't be the main cause for you to not achieve your dreams. It doesn't matter where you're from, where you're going to start from. Only thing that you need to do is believe in yourself. And you need to have a mentor in your life, whether it's your dad, your mom, anybody that you trust in. It could be even your teachers. Just believe in them. If the teachers are going to believe in you, and if they tell you that these are the things that you're good at, you should believe them, because they have seen life more than what you have actually seen. So to build up on that, when you're going to achieve a lot of things in your life, on your route, you're going to find things that you haven't actually discovered yourself. But if you have a good company, you're going to find a lot of things that you will be amazed by yourself. Even my journey, I had a lot of teachers who believed in me. I was good at drawings, I was good at sports, and more importantly, while I was growing, I did face hardships too and adversity, but that did not make me a bad person. It made me a better person. It made me have a better perspective towards life. And my support has been my mom and my dad. And as soon as I finished my high school, I had a godfather. Even though we don't have that in being Muslim, we don't have that. But the environment that I come from, Saudi Arabia, you do have a mixed cultures there. So since I was brought up there, it was, I could say that I was blessed that I had a godfather. He was always there for me. So from the age of 18 up till 23, I had been supported by a lot of people, and they believe in my capacity to do better in life. So during that time, when I was facing a problem like having been going through hard times in life, that taught me to be a better person in taking decisions that I had always taken, and which also made me do something that was very special, to give that back to the society. So, so what you also need to do is find something that you are passionate about, or something that you could give back to the society. So when you grow up, you should do the same thing. because you don't get happier by taking things. You get much happier and happiness by giving it back to the society or the people. You cannot make difference in everybody's life at once, but you can make difference once at a time by making a change and impact by other people's lives. So what I will say is that you try believing in yourself and have mentors or people who trust you in your circle. And if they can believe in you, that means you can achieve it. So from my point, I got 4 promotions in where I was, and the people who were actually working with me, they were in the same level where they were. But by the time I was 23, I had the highest position in the organization that I was working for. But you need to also make sure that 3 things in life that you need to make sure is that you need to be honest to yourself, okay? And the other is that you should have integrity. And the third one, you should always listen to your mom and dad, okay? So that's it. That's what I want to say to everybody.
Something I've taught you in the school. You forgot? So how do you clap? No? You forgot. Okay, take your palm. Take one finger. Right, start clapping. Together. Start clapping. What do you listen? Raining? Yeah. 2 fingers. 2 fingers. 3 fingers. 4 fingers. Okay. So I believe today is the investiture ceremony of 54.
Yes.
I'm not even that old. Most of them out here. So that itself is a big achievement for New Model High School. Education is very, very close to my family, particularly because either of my grandparents, they moved away from distant towns to come and settle down in Hyderabad in the late 1920s and the 1930s from either maternal or paternal side. So the only way that we could survive in the city was to be educated. So right from our childhood, my father was always told that I probably can't give you any wealth, but I can only give you good education. So you have to get educated for everything that you do. So, but the time had it, we had a very fatal incident in our home, so I had to take the responsibility as a son. But along now, Fatima was talking about, I was working from the age of 14, continuously, tirelessly. So it's been 19 years now since my journey as an employee of a company, and then later started my own enterprise and became an entrepreneur. But I didn't leave my education. I finished my engineering with a significant percentage in electronics and communication. I'm an electronics engineer. I finished my MBA after a distant gap from my engineering, an MBA in international business. I also have an MBA in finance, international finance. I have a certificate in Oracle Primavera called Project Management Planning, which only very seldom few people get to finish the program. I also have a certificate, international certificate in business coaching and mentoring from Institute of City and Guides from London. And presently I am pursuing my PhD in economics and also studying first year law. So I have not stopped my journey of everything.
PhD with sir.
Economics. Good. Economics. Wherever I get a chance, whichever occasion I feel, even if people don't invite me, I go to that session, I attend it, because they say knowledge is divine, knowledge is bliss. So for all you students out here, you could be from a very high affluent family, you could be from a rich family, or could be the poorest of the poor family, but your brain and heart is not poor. Remember this, your brain and heart is not poor. It always wants something more. So whatever you learn, your brain will accept it. So continue studying. This is only the start of your life. You're in high school levels. Life is a journey. It will teach you a lot of these things. I will close with my favorite poetry from Rabindranath Tagore. You know Rabindranath Tagore? Yes. Okay. It's a few recitals of the first phrase which I got inspired as a school student when I was your age. It says, will you repeat it with me? Yeah, in my own version. Where your head is held high, say. Where my head is held high, and my mind knows no fear. I see a mountain of hope. I see a ray of light. I see a sky of blue. I see a river full of water. I see the earth full of air, where my mind knows no fear, where my head is held high. So keep leading your head held high, know no fear, conquer everything that comes to you. There are no boundaries. Always think beyond the boundaries. So there are only questions to run. Fine. If you want anything, we'll always meet you. Always available to Khalil Saab. I'm so indebted and bestowed to you. This year, I'm the youngest president for the club. I became president at the age of 31. I'm closing on my 32. In fact, Monday is my birthday. So I'll be turning 33. I'm not too old to teach so many good things to you guys. I just experienced life my practical way. I've seen life in a very closed form. So whatever I teach people or explain them or mentor them is what I have seen in life personally, and what I have learned personal experiences. So I'm always available to mentor your students anytime. My phone lines are always ringing 24 hours. So I'll never stop in giving back whatever I learned. I suggest the same. Whatever you learn from your teachers, give to somebody else who need it. There are so many people who need your knowledge. You're all very privileged. You're coming to school. There are very lot of children who don't even have the access to come to the school. There are about 80% of the children in India who live like that. So you must all do something once you finish education, become IAS, IPS, doctor, engineer, professors, whatever, film actors, entertainment, whatever it is. Give whatever you have to the children or the society who most needs it. With these words, I thank you and sum it up. Jai Hind.
Actually, just we were waiting for our guest, special guest of the Inspector of the Police, Senialam. But still he is on the way. He is telling within 5 minutes he will come. So till then we are going to start our proceeding now. I want to welcome. Just I want to wait it, but just again just start it. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected Rotarian Kapil Dev, President Rotary Club of Hyderabad Central. Respected Mrs. Anika, Hyderabad #1 Fashion and Image Consultant. Respected Mrs. Geet Gupta, that Hyderabad #1 Ladies Club founder. And respected Miss Seta, Miss Fatima from Saudi Arab. And 4 important guests of our school, Mr. Hashim Mohyuddin sir, respected head of the department, Deccan College of Engineering, and ex-student of our school. Studied into the 1970, studied in our school 1970, and is now at the head of the department. And 3 more are sitting here. The today's special guest, our ex-student, our school, Mr. Altaf. You can see Altaf. And or is here? Come on. That's all that office bearers take among clap. Chief guest of the today's event, Mr. N. Shyam Sundar sir, Inspector Police Hussainialam. Police Station, Hyderabad. Yes, today's special invitees, we can say our Srinivasa, Sub-Inspector, and our ex-student Altaf, Vaishali Dixit, and Thakur Bharat Singh. Both are three are the engineer, one is the accountant. Distinguished guests, parents, teachers, and my dear students. Wish you all a very bright and a wonderful morning. Today, on this occasion of the investiture ceremony, I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais as well as off the dais. I am extremely honored to roll out the red carpet for you all in this prestigious moment. On behalf of the whole unit of this institution, I heartily welcome all of you on this special occasion of this investiture ceremony. On the top, I would like to give a very warm welcome to our Circle Inspector, Mr. Yan Shyam Sundar. He is a good-natured person whose work is the pioneer in the cause of the community, who has emerged as the strong police officer in the old city of Hyderabad. A remarkable personality whose image, actions and the communication means lot for the public. I welcome you, sir. I welcome Mr. Hashim Mohyuddin. I welcome Rotarian Kapil and the esteemed guests attached with him, that Ms. Anika, Ms. Geet, Ms. Sweta, Ms. Fatima. I welcome today's special invitees, Master Altaf, Vaishali, Master Thakur. New Model High School staff hard to input all the talents and focus on all-round development. We not only impart quality education, but also we care for the holistic development of our children through moral-based teaching. We mainly work on the 4 areas like our academic excellence, literacy, skills, sports and culture, and on extracurricular events also. In this regard, Alhamdulillah, we produced good, glorious and excellent result for the SSC batch of the 15-16 and remain on the first position in the whole Bahadurpura Mandal. On the top, Shaista and Afra, who scored 9.5 GPA, are a remarkable achievement with 10 out of 10 in 3 each subject. Our student achieved 10 out of 10 in various subjects, like 3 students scored 10 out of 10 in first language, 5 students scored 10 out of 10 in mathematics, and 3 different students scored 10 out of 10 in science, English and Telugu. Today is the prestigious and the honorable time for all the cabinet members who are eagerly waiting for their investiture. As we all know, the children of our school are bifurcated among 4 houses like the bluebells, daffodils, shamrocks, tulips. And the houses, our directors are Mrs. Faradiba is the director of the bluebells house, Mr. Faradiba. Ms. Nusrat is the director of the tulip house. Ms. Atiya Akhtar is the director of the shamrock house. Ms. Shiri is the director of the daffodil house. The main intention behind this grouping is to bring out the competitive spirit in you so that you can face this competitive and the faster growing area. Today's investiture ceremony is installing its new cabinet for the year 2016 and 17 by choosing the best leader to share the responsibility and to abide duties. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of the success. New Model High School has been strived with the motto that every child that comes to this institution must be a person filled with knowledge, fear of God, respect to elders, respecting the rules and regulation of this education portal, love and the passing to the parents and the love to the nation. The students are the torch bearers of the tomorrow, therefore nurturing them and fostering in them a sense of the self-respect, self-discipline, the capacity to enjoy life as independent. Delegation of the responsibility and the giving authority to the children is important as it teaches them lifelong skills of being powerful and caring at the same time, making them best citizens in making. The investiture ceremony is the memorable day for all the cabinet members. a proud moment to stand as the leader before their fellow mates. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. So now, as you are growing others as the first, you should be in discipline. Discipline is the very basic of the human progress. Discipline is necessary in all spheres of life. In fact, life is best enjoyed only if discipline is maintained. Nothing can be properly enjoyed if indiscipline is allowed to invade it. We should all try to maintain discipline in our lives. Speaking English, if you have the power of speaking good English, you feel confident and you can improve your personality. Let us start this year with refreshing our activities and with a theme to keep our surrounding clean and green. Let us start a mission to keep clean at least our area, our surrounding. I wish you all join me to fulfill this mission. A school is the good source of communicating many houses through children. We can communicate parents to make them join with us in talks of clean and the green society. A child, a tree. A slogan we want to start it. A child, a tree must be there. Let us start growing trees in and around the houses. Each one of you can plant a tiny sapling, and in this way carbon dioxide can be reduced with few areas. ऐसी नहीं कि राह में रहमत नहीं है रही, पैरों को तेरे चलने की आदत नहीं रही, कश्ती है कश्ती है तो किनारा नहीं है दूर, अगर तेरे इरादों में बुलंदी बनी रहे. I congratulate the newly formed cabinet of our school. I appreciate these potential leaders of the tomorrow who is going to the shoulder of the responsibility. I wish them the best. Feel proud to be the part of this institution and be proud to be an Indian. May Allah help us to do good deeds and accept our deeds which are doing in the cause of education. I mean, thank you very much.
बहुत दिन के बाद मैं ये ओल्ड सिटी में मैं काम करने का उससे मौका मिला. दिस इज फर्स्ट एज ए गेस्ट ये पोजीशन में मैं चार्ज लेने के बाद आपका प्रिंसिपल एज वेल एज हेड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन मेरे को इन्वाइट करे. एक्चुअली सुबह हमारा को स्पेशल आरडीओ कोर्ट में एक मीटिंग था, और थोड़ा पोस्टपोन कर लेके थोड़ा आए तक थोड़ा लेट हुआ. इसके लिए आई गिव अपॉलॉजी सिंसियरली. एक्चुअल ये उम्र में मैं भी एक्चुअली मेरे गांव में बस और ऑटो भी आने के चांस नहीं था. हम लोग 6 किलोमीटर्स बाय वॉक जाते थे, वो स्कूल में पढ़ के फिर वापस आते थे एवरी डे. एक्चुअली मेरा मदर मेरा फादर वो प्योरली फार्मर्स, लेकिन कंपलसरी बेटा हमारा को पढ़ने के चांस नहीं मिला, आप लोग तो बराबर पढ़ना. मैं भी सोचते थे ये पढ़ने में क्या माना वो रहते माना वो एंजॉय करने का वो उम्र ऐसा है ना, हम लोग माना वो एंजॉय करने का वो है. लेकिन मेरे मदर वो मेरे को नहीं छोड़ते थे, मेरे को शुरू से भी वैसा. मेरा फ्रेंड्स बचपन से उन लोग मैक्सिमम एंजॉय करने में, फिल्म देखने में और फ्रेंड्स में एंजॉय करने के वास्ते वो कहने के वास्ते हमारे करते थे. मेरे को ऑलवेज मेरे को माना पढ़ना हो रहता था. जब मैं बचपन में मैं फील होते थे ये क्या मेरे को मेरा अकेला का ऐसा मेरे फ्रेंड्स एंजॉय कर रहे बोलते. अब राइट नाउ मेरे फ्रेंड्स में मैं अकेला ये पोजीशन में, मेरा फ्रेंड्स पूरा. इसके वजह से मैं पब्लिक को मेरे कोलिग्स को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ ये पढ़ने का उम्र में पक्का पढ़ना, लेकिन इसमें भी आप लोग एंजॉय करते पढ़ते रहना. ये पनिशमेंट बोल के नहीं सोचना. जो पढ़ रहे हैं इसमें आप लोगों को मज़ा एंजॉय करते रहना. जब आप लोगों को वो ईजी दिखते रहते, जो भी अब इससे पहले साहब बोले ये 9.7, 9.5, 9.2 आउट थिंक 10/10 आई सर, या वेरी गुड। ये वो बड़ा मुश्किल नहीं है। अब ये उम्र में आप लोगों को खाली खाना, पढ़ना, सोना होते है ना, ये तीन ही है ना। खाना पढ़ते वो तो कॉमन है, लेकिन पढ़ना भी आप लोगों को कंपलसरी इसके ऊपर और टाइम देना है। अब ये टाइम में कौन कौन पढ़ते हैं उन लोगों को फ्यूचर में अच्छा सेटल होने का चांस भी था। इसके बाद से ये टाइम में आप लोगों को टाइम वेस्ट करें तो फिर बाद में आप लोगों को रोने के चांस भी है। इसके बाद से माई सिंसियरली एडवाइस टू, जो उम्र में वो करना वो उम्र में करना। इसके बाद से ये उम्र में आप लोगों को ओनली फॉर पढ़ना, पढ़ के आपका माँ बाप को अच्छा और वो नाम, वैसे तुम्हारा मोहल्ला में, तुम्हारा कम्युनिटी में भी अच्छा वो नाम लेने के बाद से चांस है। ये उम्र को आप लोगों को वेस्ट नहीं करना, अच्छा एंजॉय करते पढ़ते रहना। थैंक यू।
लास्ट टाइम यू आर डन? यस। यहाँ बोलते गए तो दे विल टेक फॉर द नेम, आई बोले तो लोग अपना नाम बोल लेते हैं, उसके बाद ये पूरा एक एक लाइन बोलते गए तो यस आई डिड, यस यस।
Repeat along with me. I take an oath for the post of, I hold my school name and fame in high esteem.
Yes, I do.
I deliver my duties to the best of my ability.
Yes, I do.
I honor the trust bestowed upon me.
Yes, I do.
I fulfill the duties impartially with the best of competence, character and enthusiasm.
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Our President of the year 16-17, Arsh Hussain. The government can come here to help for the training that are recruitment.
औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शहनशीन पे तशरीफ़ फरमा प्रिंसिपल न्यू मॉडल हाई स्कूल जनाब खलील साहब, एरिया इंस्पेक्टर श्याम सुंदर साहब, रोटरी क्लब के सदर और तमाम गेस्ट, मैं इनका खैर मक़दम करता हूँ। और जितने असातिज़ा है और स्टूडेंट्स है, माशाल्लाह काफ़ी अरसे से खलील साहब मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आज इस मुकाम पर आए हैं। इंसान को कोई चीज़ हासिल करना है तो बग़ैर मेहनत और मशक्क़त से कोई चीज़ हासिल हो नहीं सकती और इस मुकाम पर आके बैठ नहीं सकते। तो आपसे भी गुजारिश है, जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर, आप जितनी मेहनत करेंगे आप अपने मुस्तक़बिल को संवारेंगे। आप घर से जब निकलते हैं पढ़ाई के लिए तो अपना टोटल फोकस पढ़ाई पे रखिए, घर गए तक पढ़ाई पे रखिए, तो इंशाल्लाह आने वाले दिनों में भी आप कोई नामवर शख्सियत बन के इस स्कूल का और शहर का नाम रोशन करेंगे। और जितने लोग यहाँ पर मुंतखब हुए हैं, जनरल सेक्रेटरी या बहुत सारे ओहदे मिले हैं, मैं उन सबको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। और मैं ख़ास तौर से जो पेरेंट्स अगर यहाँ हैं तो मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूँगा कि बच्चों को भेज देना स्कूल को ये जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, उनके ऊपर कड़ी नज़र रखिए, ख़ास तौर से मासूम बच्चे हैं इनके ऊपर नज़र रखिए। आने वाले दिनों में अगर इनको और आगे बढ़ाना है तो आप बच्चों का ख्याल रखिए और उनको पढ़ाई पे ख़ास तवज्जो दीजिए। और जितने स्कूल के टीचर्स हैं और प्रिंसिपल साहब को फिर एक मरतबा मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। और मैं खलील साहब की नज़र एक शेर अर्ज़ करता हूँ कि वो मूसा बोली पे स्कूल था, उसके बाद माशाल्लाह तरक्की करते जा रहे हैं। तो मेरी दुआ है इनसे कि नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस में बिखरना कमाल होता है। बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल होता है। शुक्रिया आपका।
हाँ नहीं, एक एक लाइन बोलते गए तो बच्चे यस आई डू बोलते जाते हैं। आप एक लाइन बोलते चले, पहले आई बोले तो बच्चे अपना बोल लेते, उसके बाद आई टेक ए नोट, ये एक लाइन पढ़ते गए तो ठीक है।
मेरा नाम,
हाँ आई बोले तो ना अपना नाम बोले थे, खाली आई बोले थे।
यस, I take an oath for the post of I hold my school name and fame in the high stream.
Yes, I do.
I deliver my duties to the best of my ability.
Yes, I do.
I honor the trust bestowed upon me.
Yes, I do.
I fulfill the duties imparted with the best of the competences of character and the enthusiasm.
Yes, I do.
Enough.
Thank you.
Let's record names.
Please Sonali as Vice President of the school for the year 2016 to 17. Sana Padasam. Amal Arif as the Shamia Sultana. Sabah Fatima as the Sayyada Dania for girls representative. Sayyada Sania for national resource secretary. Mohammadi Ruhi for quiz club secretary.
Nice.
I take an oath for the post of. I hold my school name and fame in a high esteem.
Yes, I do.
I deliver my duties to the best of my ability.
Yes, I do.
Shamrock House Captain. Farheen Shamrock House Captain. Neeraj Daffodil House Captain. Mashayan Yunus.
best of my ability.
Yes, I do.
I honor the trust bestowed upon me.
Yes, I do.
I fulfill the duties impartially with the best of competence, character and enthusiasm.
Yes, I do.
Mohammed sir, Tulip House Captain.
There you go. This badges. Welcome. First cap.
David, take it.
Sayyid Hussain Mohyuddin, Blue Bells Vice Captain. Arfaz Shamrock House Captain. Mohammad Salim Zafrin House Captain. Vice Captain. Shehbaz Blue Bell House Captain. Mohammad Adil Tulips Vice Captain. Mohammad Abdullah. Mohammad Mohsin, ground floor in charge. Rahim, ground floor in charge second.
औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शहनशीन पे तशरीफ़ फरमा प्रिंसिपल न्यू मॉडल हाई स्कूल जनाब खलील साहब, एरिया इंस्पेक्टर श्याम सुंदर साहब, रोटरी क्लब के सदर और तमाम गेस्ट, मैं इनका खैर मकदम करता हूँ। और जितने असातिज़ा है और स्टूडेंट्स है, माशाल्लाह काफ़ी अरसे से खलील साहब मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आज इस मुकाम पर आए हैं। इंसान को कोई चीज़ हासिल करना है तो बग़ैर मेहनत और मशक्क़त से कोई चीज़ हासिल हो नहीं सकती और इस मुकाम पर आके बैठ नहीं सकते। तो आपसे भी गुजारिश है, जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर, आप जितनी मेहनत करेंगे आप अपने मुस्तक़बिल को संवारेंगे। आप घर से जब निकलते हैं पढ़ाई के लिए तो अपना टोटल फोकस पढ़ाई पे रखिए, घर गए तक पढ़ाई पे रखिए, तो इंशाल्लाह आने वाले दिनों में भी आप कोई नामवर शख्सियत बन के इस स्कूल का और शहर का नाम रोशन करेंगे। और जितने लोग यहाँ पर मुंतखब हुए हैं, जनरल सेक्रेटरी या बहुत सारे ओहदे मिले हैं, मैं उन सबको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। और मैं ख़ास तौर से जो पेरेंट्स अगर यहाँ हैं तो मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूँगा कि बच्चों को भेज देना स्कूल को ये ज़िम्मेदारी नहीं है, उनके ऊपर कड़ी नज़र रखिए। ख़ास तौर से मासूम बच्चे हैं, इनके ऊपर नज़र रखिए। आने वाले दिनों में अगर इनको और आगे बढ़ाना है तो आप बच्चों का ख्याल रखिए और उनको पढ़ाई पे ख़ास तवज्जो दीजिए। और जितने स्कूल के टीचर्स हैं और प्रिंसिपल साहब को फिर एक मरतबा मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। और मैं खलील साहब की नज़र एक शेर अर्ज़ करता हूँ कि वो मूसा बोली पे स्कूल था, उसके बाद माशाल्लाह तरक्की करते जा रहे हैं। तो मेरी दुआ है इनसे कि नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस में बिखरना कमाल होता है। बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल होता है। शुक्रिया आपका।
Blue Bells boys. House captains. Blue Bell house captain boys.
थोड़ा सा बिजी थे.
Upon me. I fulfill the duties impartially with the best of competence, character and enthusiasm.
Shamrock Girls. एक टाइम पे लेते थे कहते हैं.
I take an oath for the post of. I hold my school name and fame in high esteem. I deliver my duties to the best of my ability. I honor the trust bestowed upon me. I fulfill the duties impartially with the best of competence, character and enthusiasm.
I take an oath for the post of. I hold my school name and fame in high esteem. I honor the trust bestowed upon me. I fulfill the duties impartially with the best of competence, character and enthusiasm.
Giving this opportunity to us. Every journey has its end. Every path just stops somewhere. Your support and enduring commitment had made this event successful. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for encouraging us and supporting us. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.